Alright, everybody, let's get started on this French toast. This is not your mother's French toast, that's for sure. A lot more involved. So we're going to get 4 thick slices of sourdough bread out. Put on our cookie sheet with the rack. And we're going to put it into the oven for 1 hour at 200 degrees. You can skip that process by taking it out the day ahead of time. But if you don't, you have to put it in the oven. We got to dry it out a little bit. Now, let's work on our custard. We're going to go with 4 eggs into our container there. Next, we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. One teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a cup of brown sugar, and 2 cups of milk. And we'll get our immersive blender out, and we're going to mix that up real well. There we go, we'll get this mixed up, and then we're going to take our bread out of the oven because that's ready to go. Nice and dried out now. So we'll get another cookie sheet, and we're going to pour our mixture right into the middle of that. Just like that. And then we're going to place our bread right into that mixture. And we're going to let this bread soak it up for 5 minutes. And then after 5 minutes, we'll flip it over and go another 5 minutes. You want to make sure you get plenty of that custard soaked into the bread. That's all your flavor right there. So we're going to break out the electric griddle. We're going to turn it on to 300 degrees. Melt a little butter on top. And now it's time to start placing our French toast onto the griddle. And you don't want to cook it too hot because you have to give it time to cook all the way through, because you've soaked up so much of that custard into the bread. Otherwise, you're going to have soggy, raw custard in the middle. So we're going to go about 5 to 8 minutes on the first side. And you can see it's getting nice and brown. That's exactly what you're looking for. And we'll do the same on the second side. And then it's time to plate up. Hit it with a little bit of butter, some syrup. And I'm telling you, this is the best French toast you're ever going to have. It's not like the old days when your mom would just dip it in an egg and milk and fry it up real quick. This is really authentic French toast. Give it a try. It's a little bit more work than normal, but it's delicious. All right, we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.